Of the roughly 1 million known asteroids, the greatest number are located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, approximately 2 to 4 astronomical units from the Sun, in the main asteroid belt. Asteroids are generally classified to be of three types: C-type, M-type, and S-type. These were named after and are generally identified with carbonaceous, metallic, and silicaceous compositions, respectively. The size of asteroids varies greatly. The largest, Ceres, is almost 1,000 kilometers, 600 miles, across and qualifies as a dwarf planet. The total mass of all the asteroids combined is only 3% that of Earth's moon. The majority of main belt asteroids follow slightly elliptical, stable orbits, revolving in the same direction as the Earth and taking from 3 to 6 years to complete a full circuit of the Sun. 16 Psyche is a large M-type asteroid discovered by the Italian astronomer Annibale de Gasparis, working in Naples, on the 17th of March 1852 and named after the Greek mythological figure Psyche. The prefix, 16, signifies that it was the 16th minor planet in order of discovery. It is the largest and most massive of the M-type asteroids, and one of the dozen most massive asteroids. It has a mean diameter of approximately 220 kilometers, 140 miles, and contains about 1% of the mass of the asteroid belt. Historically, it was hypothesized to be the exposed core of a protoplanet, but numerous recent studies have all but ruled that out. Psyche will be explored by the spacecraft of the same name, with launch planned in 2023 and arrival in 2029. Psyche 16 is a large asteroid object in the Solar System's main asteroid belt orbiting between Mars and Jupiter. Metallic asteroid 16 Psyche that orbits between Mars and Jupiter has an estimated worth of $10,000 quadrillion, more than the Earth's entire economy. It orbits between Mars and Jupiter, about 230 million miles from Earth. While most of the asteroids are made of rocks and ice, the dense 16 Psyche is mostly made of metal. The new study of the scientists recorded the first ultraviolet (UV) observations of the celestial objects. The study reveals that Psyche the 16th may be entirely made up of nickel and iron. The researchers studied 16 Psyche at 2 points in its rotation so as to view the details of both sides completely at UV wavelengths. They found that the asteroid's surface could be mostly iron, however, warned that even a small amount of iron would dominate UV observations. We were able to identify for the first time on any asteroid what we think are iron oxide ultraviolet absorption bands, a scientist said. This is an indication that oxidation is happening on the asteroid, which could be a result of the solar wind hitting the surface. Rejoice, people of Earth! News outlets are reporting that NASA is planning to visit an asteroid made of gold and other precious metals. At current prices, the minerals contained in asteroid 16 Psyche are said to be worth $700 quintillion, enough to give everyone on the planet $93 billion. We're all going to be richer than Jeff Bezos. Okay, now for the bad news. This isn't going to happen. Yes, 16 Psyche and other asteroids will probably be mined for their metals. But once those metals start hitting the market in large quantities, they're unlikely to be precious for much longer. As any introductory economics student knows, price is a function of relative scarcity. Flood the market with gold, and it will go from being a rarity to being a common decoration. Supply goes up, price goes down. But in fact, there's a more fundamental reason why a giant golden asteroid wouldn't make the world fabulously rich. It's because wealth mostly doesn't come from big hunks of metal. It comes from the ability to create things that satisfy human desires. Anyhow, there is a price drop will increase the production of high-tech devices with high speed will revolutionize the world. Hope you enjoy this video. Like our channel and subscribe for more videos.